In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Google Calendar for productivity. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. On the left panel, click the plus sign next to other calendars, then select Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for your key areas: work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Assign each one a distinct color. Clear color coding turns a messy week into an easy visual map, helping you spot what's coming at a glance. If one category gets noisy, you can temporarily hide it by toggling its visibility in the list without deleting anything. Next, set your default event settings so the calendar does the heavy lifting. Click the gear icon, go to Settings, then Event Settings. Choose a default event duration that matches your work rhythm, like 30 or 60 minutes. Add default reminders, for example 10 minutes and 1 hour before the event, and pick whether you want email or on-screen notifications. A solid default prevents missed tasks and keeps your schedule consistent without constant tweaking. Now, time block your day. Instead of a long to-do list, place focused blocks directly on your calendar. For example, schedule 8 to 9 a.m. for admin tasks, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. If priorities shift, move the block rather than deleting it, so the work still has a home. Protect your most important blocks earlier in the day, and leave short buffers so you're not running back to back. Turn repeating routines into recurring events. Open any event and set it to repeat. Create a weekly planning session on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Recurring events automate your routine and reduce decision fatigue. If a series is temporary, add an end date to avoid clutter later. Add focus time and protect your availability. Use focus time to automatically block meetings during deep work and out of office to decline invites when you're unavailable. If you use tasks, integrate them so small to-dos appear on your calendar. This keeps attention on priorities and prevents your day from being overrun by ad hoc meetings. Make everything sync across devices. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, sync with your email, so invites add themselves, and connect video tools like Zoom or Meet. Join links and updates will always be one tap away. Finally, use event descriptions wisely. Inside each event, add the agenda, keynotes, relevant links like video rooms or documents, and a simple checklist. Keeping context in the event means you arrive prepared and can find details quickly later. Follow these steps and your calendar becomes a clear, reliable system you can trust every day.